Hey everyone, myself Mohit Soni, and today I'm going to show you how to check whether a list is empty or not in C++. So let's dive into the code. So as you can see, I have imported all the required libraries, IOStream and list. I have created a isListEmpty method which take list as an input and check whether the list is empty or not using .empty method of the list and return the output. So let's move forward to the main function and see the working process. We have created a list of type double named mylist and running isListEmpty function on mylist. If the list is empty, the output will be the list is empty. Otherwise, the list is not empty. So let's check whether it is working or not. First, compile the code and then let's first compile the code. As you can see here, the output is list is empty, which is true. Our list is empty. Now let's add one element in the list and then see the output. Let's compile it and run it again. So as you can see here, this will return the list is not empty. It is working successful. This is how you can check whether the list is empty or not. Thank you for watching.